Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most gracious and the most merciful, because I was able to complete and finish my research paper. Secondly, I would like to thanks for my supervisor, Mr. Acep Haryudin MPD and Mr. Mukman Eshum MPD, who has given command, advice, suggestion, guidance, motivation, and support in finishing this paper. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Widya Putri. I am an English student 2018 from English Education Study Program, Faculty of Language Education, IKIP Siliwangi. This video is made for the requirements my final assignment for the Sarjana Pendidikan degree in English Education. So, the title of my research paper is Developing Descriptive Text Material Using Food Picture Assisted by Canva to 8th grade students. Okay, this is my presentation content. First is background of the research. The second one is the objective of the research. Third is research methodology. The next one is the result of the research, and the last one is the conclusion of the research. So everyone, for the next slide is talking about background of the research. We know that English serves as a way to communicate in assessing the information apart from being a tool for building interpersonal relationship. In ideal condition, according to Priyana in 2008, state that descriptive text is a text that explains in the form of description of the characteristic or sign or an object that is determined, for example, humans, animals, or other objects. So descriptive text can help students to write something because describe what the learners know about that objects. In addition, students can start with the object around school, in-house, and what the students like. Smalley in 2001 state the students are the main to line up the characteristic of things that it is usually have correlations to the external performance of the target to be described. For the current condition, a person's ability to write can be said to be a very difficult skill. It means that writing is one of the difficult skills for students because that in learning material, especially about descriptive text, the students' lack of motivation and lack of teaching material as a source of students' learning at school. The students usually describe the object from e-learning or textbook, the object from descriptive text that cannot be seen directly, students have never seen before, and also describe on also the description object that are less varied. The solution from this research is using food picture in developing descriptive text material because the students know about that and assisted by Canva application in the process of making the product, also for students activity. Because media or ICT as supporting learning in alternative to optimize the teaching and learning process. The final product from this research development is descriptive text of food picture workbook. The next is about objective of the research. To describe first is to describe the process of developing descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students. The second one is to describe the feasibility of developing descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students according to expert and practitioners. Third one is the investigate students and teacher response toward develop descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students. The last objective is to obstacle of developing descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students. The research methodology. The first one is research method. The research and development as research designed to develop a syllabus, curriculum, textbook, modules, teaching material, assessment, learning media, and develop instrument. It is according to Bird and Gall 2003. It means that in the field of education in research and development, research is as a design to goal in is to recognize the industry related to making suitable renewable product. It is done that educations become better with the right field test process about whether this product is effective or not and according to the existing standard. The second is about research design. According to Bird and Gall in 2003, educational research and development is a process carried out in developing validating educational products that aim to find certain criteria and qualities. There were 10 steps in this model, but the researcher was conducted in each main step. They were research and information collection, planning, develop preliminary prompt of product, preliminary field testing, revision main product, main field testing, revision operational product, and operational field testing. This is subject of the research. For the subject, there are English teacher who taught in the age grades and students. For the small scale trial research, there are 15 students in class D, and in addition, for large scale trial, there are 35 students in class H. From this research, the instrument is used questionnaire analysis for students, interview analysis for the teacher, validating for expert, field note for the researcher, and documentation. The last one is the data collection technique. This research used Likert scale category from Sugiono in 2013. Score 1 for not very good category, score 2 for not good category, score 3 for very good category, score 4 for good category, and score 5 for very good category. To determine the percentage is to use data analysis technique by Ari Kunto in 2008. The following formula: total number of respondent answered divided the total number of ideal score in the item, then multiple of 100%. Okay, the next slide is talking about R&D method step by Bird and Gall in 1983, adapted from Sri Gustiani Journal in 2019. There are 10 steps in developing because this research took each step for the revising final product, also disseminating and implementing doesn't use in this research. Now talking about the result of the research. There are 4 results. The researcher wrote the answer to the first research questions about the process of making research and development product using research and development theory, which was quoted from Bird and Gall in 1983. First is information obtained by researcher based on preliminary studies, what was done to students and complete by an English tutor explained. Then carried out by preparing the design of the model to be developed. Next is design the product that was developed and complete the descriptive text material design using food picture and created in the Canva application. Then the product will be tested for feasibility to get feedback and agility from the expert. The next step is initial product revision. Then the workbook will be tested on a small scale to 15 students. And then the result of the small-scale trial of the workbook were stated to be very visible. The last is this board test aims to determine the teacher response and the students' response and to the workbook product. A large-scale trial will be conducted with 35 students in class age. Everyone, we can see this is the product in this research. The name of this product is Descriptive Text of Food Picture Workbook. There are 20 sheets start from cover anti-references. It is concluded about the material, kind of foods, and students' activity. The second result is the feasibility of developing descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students, according to expert and practitioners. From the first table, based on the result of the validation of the table design expert, the result obtained the average overall aspect in 98.918 with the very good category. Next is diagram. Based on diagram above, the research instrument sheet or thesis of each complete validator 1 and validator 2 gives a percentage of 100%. Of this mean have criteria appropriate. Then based on the result of the student's response validation sheet, the result obtained the average overall in 98 percentage with a very good category. The last one is the result of the validator obtained a percentage of 100% to that the English teacher validation instrument got a very good category. The third result of this research is the students and teacher responses toward develop descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students. From the result of the calculation of students' responses in large-scale result, the average value of the percentage was 87.32%, and the students' response to the product developed by the researcher obtained a very good category. The last result is obstacle of developing descriptive text material using food picture assisted by Canva to 8th grade students. Researcher had 4 obstacles faced during the product development process using a field note. The first one is the wrong positioning in type of food selected to be used as material. The action to discuss and with the expert validator. The second one is the schedule adjustment between small scale trial and large scale trial. Based on the pandemic situation, the solution is to communicate with the curriculum and other staff. Then the consult with the English teacher class age. The third one is the limitation of valuable devices of and students' difficulties. The solution is that students are grouped and their learning use a discovery learning approach. The last one is the application of workbook assisted by Canva application in limited time. The action is created online discussion group, video tutorials on using the Canva application, product description, and timelines. The last slide is about conclusion of the research. First is development of descriptive text of food picture workbook using the research method and development board and goal. And in 1983 theory, which was adopted by Sri Gustiani in 2019 into each step, because the time and constraint from this step can answer the process in developing descriptive text of the picture workbook. Second is the result of the data analysis in this research show the product was feasible to use based on the assessment of expert design and had very good category. And then for the assessment instrument by expert in 100% and had very good category, then students responses validation by expert and had very good category, and the teacher assessment 100% in the very good category. Thus the product was valid and feasible to use for small and large scale trial in school. Third is the students and teacher responses in descriptive text of food picture workbook. The students' responses use questionnaire and classify as getting in the very good category, and the response of the English teacher in is used interview. Then from the teacher validation sheet is classified as getting very decent criteria. The descriptive text of the picture workbook is very visible to use in learning English. And the last one is the obstacle in terms of the implementation schedule in the field that adapt to the pandemic situation and the limited time for learning descriptive workbooks on the Canva applications. The solution is make good communications between researchers, uh, and staff from the school, as well as making good learning strategies in utilizing learning time. I think that's all for my presentations. Thank you for your paying attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.